In a soft green forest of tall bamboo trees lived a kind little panda named Penny. Penny loved to eat crunchy, tasty bamboo all day long. One morning, Penny woke up and saw, oh no! Her favourite bamboo was gone. The wind had blown it far, far away into the forest. I have to find my bamboo, Penny said. She walked through the forest, asking her friends for help. First she asked a red bird, then a tiny frog, and finally a wise old turtle. Have you seen my bamboo? Penny asked kindly. Follow the path of fallen leaves, said the wise turtle. It will lead you to what you're looking for. Penny followed the leaves step by step, and soon she found her bamboo caught in a bush. She gave it a big, happy hug. Penny shared her bamboo with all her friends. Thank you for helping me, she said. From that day on, Penny knew that sharing made everything taste even better.